My role is as the Goat Health Veterinary Officer with the Agriculture Victoria. To find out what worms you've actually got on your farm is quite easy. What it involves is taking some fecal samples from your goats, sending them off to a laboratory which will actually count the number of worm eggs in the faeces, and you can get a worm egg count. Producers can do this count with a microscope at home, but the issue is they can't then culture those eggs to find out what type of worms there are. Only the laboratories can culture the worm eggs out and find out whether the producer has a problem with Barber's pole worm, black scale worm or brown stomach worm. And that's the important thing, because if you've got Barber's pole worm on your farm, it causes anemia and nil thrift in the goats, and it's something that you need to treat straight away, because you can get rid of the worm problem, but they may still die of the cause of anemia. Basically, when you do the worm egg counts, you time it to give the best picture of what's happening at on your farm. The animals you choose to do a worm egg count, you look at the ones which are young and growing, ones which are pregnant, ones which are lactating, to get a broad picture of what is happening on your farm. When a producer gets his results back, they need to consider those results in context of what is actually happening on the farm. Because growing stock and heavily pregnant and lactating stock are more susceptible to worms than dry stock. They then need to look at, all right, what type of breed of goat is it? Is it a meat breed? Is it a dairy breed? Is it a fibre breed? And then look at what sort of drenches are available to treat the worms that they've got, taking in consideration the meat and milk withholding periods that may be on those products.